The lab were recently filming for one of our clients in the UAE, shooting content for an event we're doing for the same company in January 2020. But whilst we were there, we also tried to get out and about and put together some other small little films, of which this is one. Whilst our main kit list is normally Peli case overload, we asked ourselves, what was the minimum we could take to shoot something and still have it look great in 4K? We wanted to properly activate stealth mode before heading to the absolutely stunning Louvre in Abu Dhabi. So we got our black pyjamas on, ninjaed up, and took just the new Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max with the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal, and just using these things alone, we gave them a tryout whilst we got our art appreciation on, and this was the result.